Livelihood. Introduction. Human beings were called nomads in primitive times as they wandered from place to place in search of food. Gradually, they started leading occupations. The method of livelihood to earn a living is called occupation. Means of livelihood differ from each other in rural and urban areas. India is a land of nearly 6 lakh villages. These villages are located in different settings and surroundings. Agriculture or farming is the chief occupation of the people living in villages. Farming is a seasonal activity since crops grow in certain seasons only. Different types of farmers. On the basis of the size of land holding, farmers are classified into 4 types. 1. Big farmers. 2. Medium farmers. 3. Small farmers. 4. Landless farmers. Big farmers. They own big plots of land which are more than 5 hectares in size. They do not work as cultivators as they give land to other farmers on contract and share the produce with them. They also employ landless farmers and pay them either in cash or kind. They use all the modern and improved agricultural machinery and implements. They are quite rich, lead a luxurious life, and compete with the urban rich. Apart from farming, they are engaged in other professions also. Medium farmers. These farmers own a plot of land between 2 to 5 hectares in size. They mostly work on their own lands and grow crops for their own use. This is also known as subsistence farming. In such farming practice, most of the produce is consumed locally. Such farmers use primitive agricultural tools and implements and sometimes hire tractors and harvesters. Small farmers. They own land less than 2 hectares in size. Their produce is too little to fulfill the needs of their family. These farmers are not able to support their family as they cannot save much through agricultural operations. Landless farmers. Such farmers do not own any land and they work for big farmers on wages or shared produce, and as they are not able to make both ends meet, they migrate to cities to work as laborers on daily wages. The last 2 categories of farmers do not have enough capital to buy seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and pay for irrigation. So they need to borrow money from money lenders on high interest. Sometimes their crops fail due to uncertain monsoons. They are not able to repay their borrowed money, and in such case, they have to sell their land. These 2 categories of farmers are often in the debt trap of money lenders. This is mainly the cause of farmer suicide in India. Moreover, poor farmers do not have access to facilities like education, healthcare, and other